Hello, my name is Toni Owens, and the name of the resource that I'm going to be demonstrating today is called typing.com. Um, I am going to show you how to access the website through just a web URL. I was playing around with it the other day, and I learned that I can upload it as an app through the Clever that we use through our district. And let's begin. So I am just going to start off on Google and I'm going to type in typing.com. On when you hit enter, it's going to pull up and you're going to click on the first one. This is the first page that you're going to see. Over here, you can sign up now. You can click teacher sign up, student sign up. You can learn more about it. Scroll down, it tells you different things that the students can learn, the different ways that they can do it. Keep scrolling, and it talks about how many students have used it, how many teachers have used it. It has any kind of comments about it, pretty much reviews. And then keep scrolling down. It tells you like why you'll love it. And keep going. And then if you are convinced, you can click sign up now. I already created a sign up, so I'm going to click log in, and I'm going to log in with my Google because my school is very Google based. I did create a demo class for today's presentation. I also added my personal class roster when I downloaded this. My own students have not used this yet because this is still new to me, but it is something that I would like to try with them. If you want to go premium, down here you can go premium, and it's for as low as $1.14. That's why it still says I have one step remaining. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click test class. On test class, you have your students. I put my name for the example student, and it tells you whenever your student is doing an activity on typing.com, it can tell you the typing time, their average speed, their accuracy, and the last time they logged in. It would also tell you their progress. If you do lessons, it'll show you under the lessons tab any typing tests they did, and then their games. I went ahead and I assigned an assignment under assignments tab, and I will show you how to get there. To upload an assignment, you'll come over to the assignments tab on the left. You'll click that, open. Over here on the right hand side, there is a yellow button that says add assignment. Click add assignment. You have the option to upload an assignment from core curriculum, typing assessment, or a written prompt. I will click core curriculum. On core curriculum, you will pick what class that you want to assign your activity to. I'm going to do my test class. You have the option to select one or more students. I'm going to select my name and then select your lesson. I'm going to click U, R, and K keys for beginner. You can assign more than one assignment at a time, but for me, I have second grade, or I teach second grade, and I think it would just be a lot simpler if I do one activity at a time. I'm going to save my changes. If you go into the activity, it will tell you if the student has started it yet or not. And then I would associate this with the Bloom's taxonomy of understanding and remembering, just because like you're identifying letters, you're locating items, and you are memorizing where the keys are. Again, I think typing.com is a great way to learn how to type for students, and